Hi guys, I just got done fixing cars and touching some leaves which is dirty and breaking the bad cars which is bad, but they're dirty so I gotta clean my hands. So can you have a water with soap?
How many seconds do we wash our hands for?
20 seconds.
And what happens after you wash your hands?
You dry your hands.
What happens to the germs?
They get pushed out and kicked out. Then that's the way there's no coronavirus. Now I need to dry my hands because they're wet. See, this is the towel. So we dry it in the towel. Or if you want to go to another bathroom and dry it, you use a napkin to dry it. How funny is that? Make sure to like, share, subscribe if you want to see more of our washing hands videos.